Similar to customizing the appearance of an entire part, you can also customize the appearance of faces and even features. This video shows how to customize the appearance of specific faces and features of a part. To change the appearance of a face or faces, pre-select the faces in the graphics area, right-click, and select the option Add Appearances to the number of selected faces from the context menu. The Face Appearance dialog appears and adds the selected faces into the selection box. Click the X to remove a selected face from the list. You can also select more faces in the graphics area to add to the selection. The Face Appearance dialog is similar to the Part Appearance dialog, with minor differences. Use the palette to select an existing color, or use the Mixer tab to create a custom color. The Transparency slider allows you to change the transparency of the selected appearance. Below the Transparency slider, you can insert a hex color code or RGB values for a specific color. If you have a custom color active, you can save the custom color using the plus icon located at the bottom of the Face Appearance dialog. To accept the appearance change, click on the green check mark. You can also use the Appearance flyout to create appearance changes to faces. Open the Appearance flyout by clicking on the tab. Click the Add Face Appearance icon located on the top right, and the Face Appearance dialog box appears. Select the faces you want to change and choose a new color. Accept the new appearances. New rows are created for each new appearance in the Appearance flyout. Each face appearance displays under the part appearance that the faces belong to. Right-click on the Face Appearance row, and options appear to edit, rename, suppress, or delete the appearance. Edit allows you to edit the color of the selected faces. Rename allows you to rename the appearance of the changed faces. This helps you keep track of different appearances. Suppress temporarily removes the color change and reverts back to the color of the original part. You can always unsuppress the appearance to bring it back. And delete deletes the appearance change for all associated faces. As mentioned, features can also be selected to define appearance changes. Right-click on a feature and select Add Appearance to Feature, or click the icon in the Appearance flyout and select the feature. This sets an appearance to all the faces of the selected feature. In this case, this extrude feature. When adding appearance changes, face appearances override part appearances. Face and feature colors allow you to color coordinate selected faces or features on parts within a part studio for later use in your design process.